Mahomet, Tragedie by Voltaire. Act 3, Scene 5. Mahomet and Omar. Omar said, "At length the hour is come to seize Palmyra, to conquer Mecca, and to punish Zoper. His death alone can prop our feeble cause, and humble these proud citizens. Brave Saad can best avenge thee. He has free access to Zoper. Yonder gloomy passage leads to his abode. There the rebellious chief his idle vows and flattering incense ours. Before his fancied deities their side, full of the law divine, by thee inspired, shall sacrifice the traitor to God. But Mahomet said, he shall, that youth was born, for crimes of deepest dye, he shall be the first, my useful slave, my instrument, and then the victim of my rage. It must be so. My safety, my resentment, and my love, my holy faith, and the decrees of my fate, irrevocable, all require it of me. But thinkest thou, Omar, he hath all the warmth of wild fanaticism? Omar said, I know he has, and suits our purpose well. Palmyra too will urge him on. Religion, love, resentment will bind his headstrong youth and hurry him to madness. Hast thou bound him by an oath? Oh yes, and all the gloomy pomp of rites, nocturnal oaths and altars we have fixed. His superstitious soul placed in his hand the sacred sword and fired him with the rage, a fierce enthusiasm, but behold him. Omar's 5-line response is definitely, don't blame fate. And don't blame, that you've been part of something before, right? Or that your citizens will, be that. The reason why Muhammad conquered Mecca was because some of the Meccans had murdered and thus violated their treaty. And was it Abu Jahl conceded in the gathering that they had set forth the situation, even though he didn't know of anybody personally ordering these things. They set forward the situation that led to things. And of course, when you're under treaty, you should stop the ways to war, right?